So as we started the operations on fractions or fractions, here addition subtraction तो हमने देख लिया था. Here we are going to see about the multiplication. Then of course we'll see the division also. Before we start that, one thing, addition and subtraction जो हमने देखा था, इसमें हमने देखा था कि हमको like fractions बनाना है and then we have to only add or subtract the numerator. Now why I'm saying this, क्योंकि बहुत से बार बहुत से बच्चों का ये हो जाता है, confusion हो जाता है that whatever they are doing here for addition subtraction, they do that in multiplication and division also, and whatever we actually have to do here, they do sometimes here. So do not get confused in that. Here in addition and subtraction we make the fractions like fractions. वो हमने method देखा है, making the denominator same by LCM method, जो हमने addition subtraction के लिए use किया था and comparison के लिए. But here we don't have to do that. We don't have to make them like fractions. Here it is a different method, different thing. So please do not get confused in these two things. Addition subtraction is a separate thing. Multiplication and division will be a separate thing. So in multiplication and division, first we'll see the multiplication. Now when we are multiplying, हमने ये देखा था कि fractions जो है ये part, when we make parts of a number or a figure, we get fractions. So if I am having a fraction, say 4, 3/4, denominator is 4, means I have made parts 4, total parts I have made 4. ये हमने देख चुका है. Now this means whatever parts I have made of a thing, that is one whole thing. So कुछ भी हो सकता है. If I take a circle and I have made 4 parts, so this circle is one whole thing. And when we have made the parts 4 and from that we have taken 3 parts, so that gives us 3/4. Now when we are multiplying this, now it can be that we can multiply this by a fraction, or we can multiply this by a whole number, only a number. Like this, here we have taken one circle, we have made parts. So instead of multiplying this by a fraction, we can multiply this by a number, only a number. So that's one way, one thing where we are multiplying fraction by a whole number. Fraction into a whole number. Why there is a difference, why we have to write this? Because there will be slight difference when we are doing that. Very little difference, but still we have to see that. When we are multiplying a fraction by a fraction into a fraction. So if I am having, say, 2/3 into 1/5. So there are slight difference. Let's see what that is. Here, first thing, whenever we are multiplying fractions or with a whole number or fractions into fractions, numerator will be multiplied to the numerator. And denominator will be multiplied to the denominator. न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से ही मल्टीप्लाई करना है. अब वो फ्रैक्शन इनटू फ्रैक्शन है तो इजी हो जाएगा. न्यूमरेटर है यहाँ पे 2, यहाँ है 1, so 2 into 1/3 into 5 हो जाएगा. सिंपल, 2 1s are 2, 3 5s are 15. So multiplication of 2/3 and 1/5 is 2/15. This is simple. But in this case, here we have numerator, denominator. Here we don't see any numerator and denominator. To make it simple, we can write here 5/1. Now, why we are writing this? We have seen this property in previous classes. We have seen this property here also in integers. पिछले chapter में If we divide a number by 1, it is not going to change the value. 5 को 1 से अगर मैं divide कर रहा हूँ, its value is not going to change. So I can write it like this, a whole number like this, 5 upon 1. So any whole number can be written like 5 upon 1, 3 upon 1, any number, कोई भी number हो, I can write in the denominator 1. So it will make simple. It will make the multiplication easy. 3 into 5, numerator into numerator, 3 into 5 upon 4 into 1. Now I can also do, अगर मैं नहीं भी ये लिख रहा हूँ, so I can multiply 3 into 5 upon 4, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 1 है, मुझे 4 को 1 से ही multiply करना है, क्या मिलेगा? 5 3 15 upon 4, यहाँ पे भी 15 upon 4 ही मिल रहा है. सिर्फ क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं, 1 या तो लिख रहा हूँ या नहीं लिख रहा हूँ, it is not going to affect. But if you want, you can write it. Confusion अगर हो रहा है, so you can write and do it like this. If you don't want, you can directly do it like this. Answer is going to come same. So these are two ways, two things. First, fraction into a whole number, fraction into a fraction. ये दो तरीके, दो चीजें होंगी. Now if we are having, उसमें आपको ये तो याद रखना ही है कि न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. यहाँ पर एडिशन वाली चीज नहीं यूज करनी है. If we are having some fraction like this, फ्रैक्शन इंटू फ्रैक्शन है, सो हमको न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 5 into 21 upon 7 into 20. बट यहां पर अब ये एक फ्रैक्शन मिल रहा है हमको, राइट? अब यहां पर मल्टीप्लाई कर, ये स्टेप लिखने के बाद इंस्टेड ऑफ मल्टीप्लाइंग 5 into 21 वी हैव टू डू द डिवीजन. डिवीजन क्यों करना है? क्योंकि 7 जो है इसको डिवाइड कर रहा है, 20 भी इसको डिवाइड कर रहा है. तो ये जो क्रॉस में है या न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में जो है, दीज कैन बी कैंसल्ड इफ दे आर हैविंग एनी HCF more than 1. ध्यान दो, if they are having any HCF more than 1, तो हमको उनको कैंसिल करना है. यानी हमने ये सिंप्लीफिकेशन वाला जो हमें देखा, सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में लिखना देखा था, that we have to use it. So 7 will be dividing 21. 7 1s are 7 3s are 5 1s are 5 4s are. Now this is 1, this is 3, so 3 1s are is 3, and this is 4 and 1 4. So we get 3 upon 4. Now, if you multiply, अगर आपने कैंसिल नहीं किया और डायरेक्टली पहले मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया, so here we get 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, and here 7 0 7 2s are 14. Still, this is not in the simplest form. जब हमने addition subtraction देखा था, in that I said that you have to write the answer in simplest form. This is not in simplest form. So here you have to divide this. इसको डिवाइड करना है न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर को बाय द HCF. HCF ऑफ दिस विल बी, यू कैन फाइंड द HCF. अगर नहीं, सो यू कैन डिवाइड दिस बाय 5. सो 5 2s are 5 1s are 5 2s are and 5 8s are. Again this can be divided by 7. So 7 3s are 7 4s are 3 upon 4. You will get the same value. So instead of multiplying then dividing, here only you can divide it. यहाँ भी हमने वही किया, पहले 5 से डिवाइड किया जो यहाँ कर दिया था, फिर 7 से डिवाइड किया. So the same thing we are doing. So why to multiply and then divide? So better divide it here. You can also do one thing, और easy अगर करना है तो ये भी कर सकते हो. अगर आपको टेबल्स नहीं क्लियरली दिख रहे हैं तो you can write 5 into 21 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? फैक्टर्स उसके 3 into 7, 7 into 4 into 5. Now you can clearly see 5 will be cancelled, 7 will be cancelled, you get 3 upon 4. So you can do in any ways. This is the most tedious way, सबसे lengthy method हो जाएगा. ये अगर आपको easily factors दिख रहे हैं, so 21 is divisible by 7. You can divide 5 and 20 divisible. So you can do that, or you can split it. अब ज्यादा बड़ा number अगर आ गया, so instead of splitting, directly start dividing like this. So it will. फ्रैक्शंस को मल्टीप्लिकेशन हमने जो देखा उसमें हमने जो टाइप्स देखे थे, प्रॉपर, इम्प्रॉपर एंड मिक्स्ड। अगर मिक्स नंबर आ गया है तो उनको मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करना है? सो इफ आई एम हैविंग 3 इंटीजर 4/7 एंड मल्टीप्लाई 2 इंटीजर 1/3, अब इनको मल्टीप्लाई करना कैसे? Because we have seen that we have to multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. फिर इसका क्या होगा? ये तो ना तो न्यूमरेटर है ना डिनोमिनेटर, ये एक मिक्स नंबर है जहाँ पे ये होल नंबर्स है या होल इंटीजर्स उनको हम बोल सकते हैं। तो for this we have to convert, for multiplying we have to convert these mixed numbers into improper fraction. improper fraction हो गए तो जो सिंपली हमने देखा था न्यूमरेटर इनटू न्यूमरेटर, डिनोमिनेटर इनटू डिनोमिनेटर, वो करना। लेट्स सी इसको कंप्लीट मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो 7 3 is 21. We have seen it is 3 into 7 plus 4 upon 7. ने टाइप्स जब देखे थे तब देखा था किस तरह उसको कन्वर्ट करना है। 2 into 3 plus 1 upon 3. So this is 21 plus 4 is 25 upon 7 into 3 to the 6 plus 1 7 upon 3. If they are having any numbers which can be divided, न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर्स के अंदर अगर कोई नंबर डिवाइड हो सकते हैं, we have to divide. We can see 7 cancel. 7 1s is 7, 7 1s is 7. So 25 into 1 is 25, 3 into 1 is 3. So here simply एक ही चीज है, अगर मिक्स नंबर है converted into improper fraction and then multiplied the numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. That's how we can multiply. With respect to the multiplication, जो फ्रैक्शंस हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और उसका जो प्रोडक्ट आता है, there are two things that we are going to see here. So first thing is when we are multiplying proper fractions, in that case product of two proper fraction is always smaller than each of the fractions that we have multiplied. So यहाँ पे ये दो proper fractions हम मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, इसका जो प्रोडक्ट आएगा वो इससे भी छोटा रहेगा और इससे भी छोटा रहेगा. We'll see that with an example, so it will be more clear. So multiplication is numerator into numerator. 3 2s is 6 upon 5 7s is 35. Now since we have to compare this product with each of them, each of the fractions that we have multiplied, we have to make the denominator same. Here we have 35, here we can make 35, this denominator. So the first one 2 upon 5, if we have to make this denominator as 35, here we have to multiply by 7, so it will be 14 upon 35. And the second one, that is 3 upon 7, if we want here 35, we have to multiply this by 5, so it will be 15 upon 35. Now as the statement said, the product of the proper fractions, that is this, which is 6 upon 35, is smaller than each of the fractions. Each of the fractions यानी ये और ये. So 2 upon 5 का हमने 14 upon 35 में equivalent fraction उसका बनाया, where 35 is a common denominator. is 35 35 35, सारे के denominator हमने 35 कर लिए. So when we are comparing, 6 upon 35 is smaller than this, means it is smaller than this, जो कि 2 upon 5 है. And also 6 upon 35 is smaller than 15 upon 35, which is 15 upon 35 is actually 3 upon 7. So 6 upon 35 is smaller than this also and smaller than this also. Second case है, if you are multiplying improper fraction. Now as we are saying improper fraction, these improper fractions can also be converted to mixed numbers. So it is for improper and mixed numbers. So product of two improper fractions is always greater than. यहाँ पे ये greater है, यहाँ क्या था, smaller था. तो ये प्रोडक्ट इससे स्मॉलर है, ये प्रोडक्ट इससे भी स्मॉलर, बट यहाँ क्या होगा, प्रोडक्ट इससे और इससे दोनों से बड़ा रहेगा. इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई दिस, 4 into 6 is 24 upon 3 5 is 50. So since we have to compare this with the fractions that we have multiplied, we have to make these denominators as 15. We can make them 15. So 4 upon 3. If you have to make this denominator 15, we have to multiply 3 by 5. So numerator also multiplied by 5. So we get 20 upon 15, and the other one is 6 upon 5. So we multiply this by 3 to make it 15. So here we get 18 upon 15. Now if we compare this denominators, if we compare this fraction with, if we are comparing it with this fraction, 4 upon 3. 4 upon 3 we have made 20 upon 15. So 24 upon 15 is greater than this. And also if we are comparing it with 6 upon 5, which is 18 upon 15. So 24 upon 15 is also greater than 18 upon 15. Means this is greater than this also and this is greater than this also. Each fraction जो हमने यहाँ देखा, product of two improper fractions is always greater than each of the fractions that we have multiplied. ये product है, ये इससे भी बड़ा है और ये इससे भी बड़ा है.